this point, you've used the simulation to visualize how sound travels through a medium, and you've seen what happens when you change the loudness and pitch of a sound. I'm going to try to help you make sense of your observations and introduce some new vocabulary along the way. So let's start with the vibrating sound source. As I explained in an earlier video, when the sound source vibrates, it hits particles in the surrounding medium and transfers energy to them. Let me show you that happening here. Okay, so you can see the sound source vibrating, hitting those neighboring particles, transferring energy to them. They gain energy and they move together, forming a band of compressed or tightly packed particles, which you see forming here. These particles don't move very far. They move and then they hit other neighboring particles and transfer their energy to them. Remember, the word transfer means give away. So these particles are going to give away some of their energy to the neighboring particles when they collide. And then this band of compressed particles, they're going to slow down. You'll see them spread out and return eventually to their original position until they're hit again. And so I'll let you see that happen. So you can see them slowing down and then returning to their original position until they just got hit again. Okay, but we can see the energy keep moving, continuing to be transferred throughout the medium. Actually, we're not really seeing energy moving, we're seeing its effects. We see particles being hit, moving, hitting other particles, then slowing down and moving back to their starting position. This pattern of movement that you see happening is known as a wave in science. And a wave is simply energy being transferred across a medium, such as a gas, liquid, or solid, and it begins with a disturbance. So what is the disturbance that causes sound waves to occur? I'll give you a minute to think about that. Right, if you thought vibrations of the sound source, that's correct. So the energy in the vibrating sound source, go back here. The energy in the vibrating sound source, it gets transferred to the particles in a medium, and that energy eventually transfers to a sound receiver, such as your ear.